Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the basic features of anatomy. So what is meant by the anatomy? Anatomy is a branch of medical science which deals with the study of structure of human body. And what is meant by the physiology? Physiology is a branch of medical science which deals with the study of functions of human body. In between the anatomy and physiology, there is small difference here. In anatomy, we are study about the structure of human body making, while in the physiology, we are study about the functions of human body which are takes place in our body. So now we are discuss about the branches of anatomy. Some special branches which deals with the study of anatomy are surface anatomy, gross anatomy, system anatomy, regional anatomy, developmental anatomy. Some of them are embryology, histology, cytology, and radiographic anatomy. So, now we are discuss about some detailed information about the surface anatomy. So what is meant by the surface anatomy? Surface related a structural study is called the surface anatomy. The study of the morphology and the making of the surface of the body is under the surface anatomy. The next is the gross or a macroscopic anatomy. So what is meant by the macroscopic? You know about the macro and the micro. So micro is a minute thing which are not seen by our naked eyes. And what is meant by the macroscopic anatomy? The thing which we are seen by our naked eyes are called the macroscopic anatomy. So, the study of macroscopic anatomy is a structure that study without microscope is called the macroscopic anatomy. What is meant by the system anatomy? The system anatomy is a study of the structure of specific system of human body. So system, you know about the system. Some of them are digestive system, respiratory system, and the nervous system. The study of structure of the specific system under the system anatomy. The next is the regional anatomy. So what is meant by the regional anatomy? It deals with the study of specific region of the human body. Example, some of the head region, then chest and the abdomen region. The next is the developmental anatomy. So, the developmental anatomy is the study of development from fertilized egg to the adult under the developmental anatomy. The next is the embryology. So, study of anatomical structure of the embryo is under the embryology. And next is the histology. So, histo is related to the tissue and the study of tissue is related to the histology. Histo means the tissue and logy means to the study. So, it is the study of the structure of the tissue under the histology. Next is the cytology. The cytology is a microscopic study of the cell of the human body. You know about the cell is a basic and the functional unit of the human body. Next is the radiographic anatomy. So it is a special branch that study the structure of body by using a radiographic techniques. So in radiographic techniques, there are X-ray, CT scan, MRI are the example of the Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.